Hi, welcome to my channel. The updated Porsche Taycan and Taycan Sport Turismo have been spotted in Sweden almost without camouflage. Their premiere is scheduled for late 2023. The Porsche Taycan first appeared in 2019. The model is still in demand, but it needs an update. Several electric cars with almost no camouflage were photographed in Sweden. The prototypes were undergoing pre-production testing there. The updated Porsche Taycan and Taycan Sport Turismo will be more different from each other. For example, the station wagon will have new steel bumper pads at the front and rear. Some other changes in the appearance of models are expected as well. In particular, they will get new bumpers, redesigned front and rear optics, as well as an updated interior. The rear lights of the electric cars will get new graphics. The diffuser will become more efficient. The new Porsche Taycan and Taycan Sport Turismo are rumored to get more powerful versions. One of the modifications will boast a 3-engine layout with up to 1,000 horsepower. Presentation of the updated electric cars is expected at the end of 2023. For now, the manufacturer is fine-tuning its electric cars. Thank you for watching, and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos.